Recording in progress.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to Anantex Academy, where myself, Motloko Medi, Frickles van Rensburg, I'm the founder of Anantex. I'm going to take you through what we call the five-step system. Now, the purpose of the five-step system is it exists to give members a simple, repeatable framework that removes confusion, pressure, and guesswork. Its purpose is to help people to understand the Anantex ecosystem clearly, to use the benefits confidently, and to introduce others in a professional, low-pressure way. And it helps people to grow at a pace that feels natural and sustainable. Some people are gonna go fast, some people are gonna go slow, and that is what it is about. Instead of relying on personality, hype, or selling ability, which we don't do, the five-step system provides structure and clarity as something that anybody can follow. Why does a five-step system matters? Now, most people don't fail because they lack motivation. We are all fired up, ready to go, but they fail in structure. That means people don't know what to do. I've got this gem in my hands, this Anantex membership. How do I tell other people? The five-step system creates consistency. It keeps messaging complaint and professional. Compliant. Sorry. I get it. So when I start engaging with people using the five-step system, it is safe. It is professional. It helps new members to start correctly, and it allows experienced trailblazers or builders, people that used to that people that wants to take this to the next level, to scale without burnout, because I know exactly what that feels. Anyway, it turns effort into repeatable action and action into measurable progress. So what is the system not? It is not a sales script. It is not pressure based. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No. It is not dependent on experience or confidence. If anybody can read a sentence or they can copy and paste it into a WhatsApp or SMS or whatever, if somebody can copy and paste, they can use the five-step system. It works quietly, just like the ecosystem. So the real outcome, the purpose is to protect relationships. That is so powerful. It is to build long-term confidence. It's to create sustainable growth and to support a lifetime and generational asset. So when followed consistently, there's the key. There's the key. There's the key. It's like a car. If you drive it once and just look at it every day, it's not as much fun. Consistently, it allows members to grow calmly, ethically, and responsible. And that is the ecosystem. So let's run through the five-step system. It's been upgraded a little bit. So step number one is I'm going to reach out to somebody. I'm going to say, hey, Jane, John, James, Henry, Tabu, whatever, people that you know. A quick question. If I could show you how to save money on everyday expenses and accumulate gold without any risk, would you take a quick look at the information? That's the question. I can send one WhatsApp. I can send no. I can do 100 a day, depending on what you want. If they say yes, of course, what is this? What are you talking about? You're going to be professional, stick to the script, and let it help you. If they say no, now we said we're going to professionally protect ourselves. If somebody says no, I'm not going to say, oh, you idiot. La, 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 la. No, no, no. I'm going to be professional. I'm going to say, if they say no, I'm going to say, totally okay. I'm here. If anything changes, I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. How's that for a question? So now they have said, yes, what is this? And now I'm going to type this, send this, copy, paste. Awesome. I'll send you a short intro now. It's just a few minutes long and it will give you a powerful overview. Now I'm going to insert the video. Now, what is this video? These are the 3 little videos that's on the WhatsApp presentation. That is what this is. I'm not going to send them a 3-hour seminar on the compliancy benefits of AnantaX. No. I'm going to copy and paste the 3 little videos that's on the WhatsApp presentation, and I'm going to send it to them. Now, after I've sent this, then I'm going to say, let me know once you've watched it. I'll send a quick follow-up. Now, maybe the next day you haven't heard anything. Now you don't know what to do. What should I say? You're simply going to copy and paste this. You're going to say, hey, I just wanted to check in after the AnantaX presentation you viewed yesterday. There's no rush, no pressure. The purpose was simply to give you a clear picture of the ecosystem, the benefits, and the long-term value, including the automatic gold accumulation. If anything stood out, raised a question, or made sense to you, please feel free to get back to me and we can talk it through calmly. If not, thank you for taking the time to have a look. I truly appreciate it. How powerful is that? So now I get a response. They've watched the video, they've replied back and said, oh, yes, I've watched it, da-da-da-da-da. I'm going to be professional. I'm going to say, great, quick question. What did you like the most about what you saw? Then I'm going to wait for them to reply. I'm going to wait. I'm going to say, so what did you like the most? Now they're going to think. I like the gold. I like the this. I like the that. Somebody might say, my spouse just lost their job. We need a second income. We don't have anything. I saw something there about income, but they don't want to tell you that. People will never tell you that they're in trouble. So listen to what they say. Whatever they say, you agree and say, hey, that's one of my favorites too, because I love all of them. If it's positive, you proceed to the next step. If somebody says, I didn't like anything, you are going to be professional and say, like this, same as the other one. Totally okay. I'm here. If anything changes, I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. Now, they've gone through this. They told you what they like. You're going to be professional. There's 2 options. We offer a members and a builders option. Okay, so I'm going to say, so we got 2 options. There's a member. So what do members do? They use the benefits, accumulate the gold. They enjoy stability and value. Option 2 is a builder or a trailblazer, where we introduce it responsibly to other people, use a structured reward system, and focus first on removing cost pressure. Remember, when somebody builds just 4 active direct members, the rewards already covers your membership. With the gold accumulation continues in the background. Which option suits you best? I'll help you every step of the way. That's professional. If yes, perfect. I'll send you my link now. We'll walk through it in 2 minutes. Let's get you in. If they say they want more information, you're going to be professional. And you're going to say, no problem. What part would you like more information on? You want to know about the compliance? Let's have a look. You want to know about the health? Let's have a look. You want to know about the benefits or the this or the that? And that's the information you get to them. If they say no, you're going to be professional. You're going to say, totally okay. I'm here. If anything changes, I'll just help somebody else in the meantime. Now, how to get them started fast. Now they've joined. They said they're happy. They said, hey, I want to become a member. Option 1. You're going to get them to use the benefits as quickly as possible. Ask them. Maybe they have a short term, they're looking for a funeral, a health, whatever. Maybe they want the legacy learning like a lot of people. You're going to explain the automatic gold accumulation. When everything launches or is out, I'll make videos for everything. And you're going to help them to enjoy stability and value. That's what a member is. If somebody says they want to become a builder or a trailblazer, as we call it, you're going to explain the 5-step system. You're going to send them this video. You're going to help them to get their 4. That's goal number 1. I don't care about the group of 4 billion. That's fine. We'll get to them. The goal is to help you get your 4 ASAP. Because if I help somebody get the 4, they've got a free membership. How fired up do you think they're going to be? You're going to help them to attend the growth rooms and all the Zooms. You're going to explain the back office. Now, obviously, there's videos coming. You're going to invite them to the WhatsApp and the Telegram groups, and you're going to add them to the Ananta X groups. From there, this is our 5-step roadmap. On top, you're going to write his or her. So when they say they want to become a builder, they want more, going to write down 3 goals, a date, and they're going to write down 20 names of people that they know, love, and trust. And here on the right is the complete 5-step system. Step 1, 2, 3. Now, people can do whatever they want. You can send one WhatsApp every second week if you want to. That's fine. I would send 20 immediately at once. Help them get their 4 people ASAP. Professionally. Okay, and then from there, obviously work on structure. So every name goes into your daily planner. This is how we track it. This is based on the 5-step system. Did I make contact? Yes. Did I send a video? Oh, crap, I haven't done that yet. Did I ask what did you like the most? Yes. Which option did they choose? Did I send them my link? Oh, crap, no, I didn't do that. Okay, great, let's do that. Did you add them on a group? Are you busy helping them get their 4, and are they started on a roadmap? So here's a list for close friends, people you know, and the cold list. So ladies and gentlemen, in short, that's the 5-step system. It's there to help you, it's there to protect you, and it's there to make your life easier. I don't mind to work, but I understand the power of helping people rather use a fishing rod than giving people fish every day. If I've got 100 people that wants fish, I'm telling you, you'll fish all day, all night, not see anybody. But if I teach them and show them how to use a fishing rod, your life is a lot better. So I'm going to stop this. It is out there. Please stay tuned for updates and when the new back office will launch. So after this, I'm going to quickly run through how to talk to influencers and celebrities. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys soon. See you on the Zooms.